Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be trying out nude lipsticks under rupees 300 that I got from Amazon. Amazon is currently running their wardrobe refresh sale where they're offering 50 to 80% off on fashion and beauty products. All of the lipsticks that I'm going to be trying out today are already under rupees 300. They're already so affordable, and on top of that Amazon is also giving you amazing discounts, so you're going to get all of these lipsticks for literally steal deal prices. The prices are so rock bottom, so I highly recommend you check out Amazon for their wardrobe refresh sale and purchase whatever you like, because all of the items are available at unbelievable prices. So with all that being said, let me quickly get into today's video and show you all of the nude lipsticks that I'm going to be trying out under rupees 300. The first lipstick that we have is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Lipstick in the shade 05 Buff Nude. This lipstick has a creamy matte finish on the lips. It's very comfortable, non-drying, and the MRP of this is 299 rupees, but today it's available for a 35% off just for rupees 194. Next up we have Swiss Beauty HD Matte Lipstick in the shade 09 Cute Nude. Now this has a matte finish on the lips. It is very pigmented and it is slightly drying, so you need a lip balm underneath. The packaging of this lipstick is exactly like Huda Beauty lipstick, except that the magnet isn't sturdy at all. It just comes off very easily. So this is not a lipstick that you can be carrying in your bag, because it might just open up and mess up your entire bag. Next we have Iba Pure Lips Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Rose Tan M16. Now this has a creamy semi-matte finish on the lips. It's very comfortable. It has a non-drying formulation, and I absolutely love how beautiful this color is. It's very universal and it's gonna suit everyone. The MRP of this lipstick is 350 rupees, but it's available on a 20% off today just for rupees 280. Next we have Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Clay Crush 656. The MRP of this is 299 rupees, but it's available on a 37% off for rupees 187. This lipstick has a creamy matte finish on the lips. It's very comfortable. However, this particular color is only suitable for fair to very fair skin tones. If you have skin tone like me or lighter than mine, only then can you apply this. Otherwise, it's gonna wash you off. Next up, I'm trying this Inside Cosmetics Matte Lipstick in the shade 13 Daringly Nude. Now the pigmentation of this lipstick isn't that great. You kind of have to swipe again and again to achieve the perfect intensity, and even after that the color payoff isn't that great. It doesn't look that flattering on the lips. The MRP of this lipstick is 80 rupees, but it's available at a 7% off for rupees 74 only. The finish on the lips is comfortable. It's matte, but this is not the kind of a lipstick that I would prefer wearing, especially while heading out. Next up we have Renee Check Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Castle of Nude. Now this is a very tiny lipstick, and the color payoff of this is really good. It has a velvety texture when you apply, and it sets into a complete matte finish. It is slightly drying on the lips, so you want to go in with a lip balm first. The MRP of this is 350 rupees, but it's available at a 25% off just for rupees 262. Next up we have Iba Pure Lips Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Apricot Blush M17. It's very comfortable on the lips. It has a decent color payoff. The pigmentation is good enough, and I just love how it looks on the lips. I really like the color. It's a very everyday sort of a color that you can just wear pretty much anywhere. The MRP of this is 350 rupees, but it's available at a 20% off just for rupees 280. Next up is Swiss Beauty Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Iconic Nude. Now the color payoff and the pigmentation of this lipstick is bomb. It's amazing. It's very comfortable on the lips. It dries down to a matte finish, but the matteness is still quite comfortable on the lips. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. It's matte, but it's still not drying. It's still not uncomfortable. It's very comfortable. It's very lightweight as well, and I absolutely love the color. It's such a beautiful color. I can wear this for festivals even. That's the kind of a bright nude color this is. And yeah, I pretty much love this lipstick so far, and this has to be my favorite out of the entire lot. Now the MRP of this is 249 rupees, but it's available at a 10% off for rupees 224. Next we have Mars Non-Transfer Waterproof Smudge Proof nude matte liquid lipstick. It's a pack of 3, and on the packaging it says lip gloss, but it's actually a matte liquid lipstick. The color payoff is really good. It has a very nice pigmentation. I absolutely love how the color looks on my lips, and it is kind of drying on the lips, so you want to apply a lip balm underneath. Otherwise, I think it looks really beautiful. Now, since they mentioned that it's non-transfer and it's smudge proof and all, let me just do a swatch test of this. It does not transfer. It doesn't really smudge as much, like the tiniest bit. So yeah, it's a quite long lasting formulation. The set of 3 Mars liquid lipstick retails just for rupees 387, but it's available at a 27% off just for rupees 279. Next up I have Iba Pure Lips Moisturizing Lipstick in the shade Caramel Creme A36. It has a very beautiful color payoff. The pigmentation is just amazing, and I just love how beautiful this color is. It looks like a coffee brown color, and yeah, this can be worn on an everyday basis. You can also wear this to your office. I think this will look very flattering. It has a very comfortable finish on the lips. It's not matte, it's sort of a creamy lipstick, but it's very comfortable, and you can wear this without a lip balm. It's not gonna dry out your lips or make you feel uncomfortable at all. The MRP of this is 210 rupees, but it's available at a 20% off just for rupees 168. So yeah, those were all of the 12 nude lipsticks that I tried from Amazon under rupees 300. I just love how affordable these lipsticks are, and on top of that, Amazon is offering some amazing discounts on all of these lipsticks. I quite liked most of them. Just one of them I did not like, but apart from that, I quite loved all of them. I highly recommend you check these lipsticks out depending upon the kind of finish that you're looking for and the kind of shade that you want. All of these new lipsticks are just amazing, and you saw them for yourself how beautiful they looked. So I highly recommend you take advantage of Amazon Wardrobe Refresh sale and purchase all of these lipsticks and all of the other products that you like from the fashion and beauty categories at amazing prices, at amazing discounts, and save on some money. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.